Hi guys, welcome back to Lila's Life in Slime Time. I'm going to be showing you a really fun slime and I hope you enjoy. I just realized that I'm wearing something different. It's because it's a different day and I just hope you enjoy this video a lot. I took a lot of time working on this for you and everyone. So please hit that like and subscribe button and bye.
Pick a spot and shoot the breeze like buddies do.
With
Quoting songs by our favorite band,
magic.
telling jokes no one understands.
When I mean I haven't been able to make a good slime using modern magic, I mean I haven't. Like, this is a slime technically. It's just a modern magic. It's stretchy. It's buttery. Yeah, that's a slime. Oh my gosh, I just made it a slime. No, I didn't. I meant a slime. Glue, sugar, and all of those ingredients. And I could not have done it without this guy, Karina. I love her.
We walk a while and talk about the things we'll do when we get out of
everything, all of the advice.
like the Appalachian Trail, or write a book, or learn to sail. Wouldn't that be cool?
Sadly, I only have one.
There's nothing that we can't discuss, like girls we wish would notice us, but never do. He looks around and says to me, there's nowhere else I'd rather be, and I say, me too. And we talk and take in the view.
The trick is you put it in when it's
Just
not
talk
fully
and take
activated
in
yet, when it's still kind of like a gluey mixture.
all we see is sky for forever. We let the world pass by for forever. Feels like we could go on for forever this way. This way.
Also, could not have done it without this amazing thing.
For forever. 'Cause the sun shines bright for forever.
I'm not sure
Like we'll be alright for forever.
This
This way. Two friends on a perfect day. And there he goes, racing toward the tallest tree. From far across a yellow field, I hear him calling, follow me. There we go, wondering how the world might look from up so high. One foot after the other, one branch then to another. I climb higher and higher. I climb till the entire sun shines on my face.
I don't know. This is a good slime. It's really stretchy. It's not that sticky to
on the
me,
ground.
but
My
I
arm
don't
goes
know.
numb.
Probably. No, can't make
Look around.
improvements. This is amazing. Never mind.
And I see him come to get me. He's come to get me. And everything's okay.
It was worth a try. I'm just gonna
All we
mix. I really want you
see
guys
is
to see what the
For
slime I really
forever.
like.
We
Don't
the
talk
world
about my
pass
nails
by
because I know they
for
look really
forever.
bad. I did them.
Buddy, you and I for forever this way. This way. All we see is light, 'cause the sun burns bright. We could be alright for forever this way.
The next slime is this. I love this slime, guys.
Two
I
friends.
just found it today because I totally forgot because I'm lazy and I. Oh, God. Alright, there we go, sorry. Hold on. Hey, there we go. This is a good slime. I mean, any slime is really a good slime. But I'm also really happy because this is like a special slime and I scented it cherry. Oh yeah,
not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. And I know someday that it'll all turn out.
Guys, I have this.
You'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, that I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet.
And you know why she's a girl? Because she's pink. And you know when you have a baby, like you usually tell them if it's a pink or a blue, you know?
I might have to wait, I'll never give up. I guess it's half timing and the other half's luck.
And the color,
Wherever you
guys,
are,
is so much
whenever it's right, you'll come out of nowhere and into my life. And I know that we can be so amazing. And baby, your love is gonna change me. And now I can see every possibility. And somehow I know that it'll all turn out. You'll make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet.
incredible and
They
it's really
say
like that.
all's fair in love. But I won't need to fight it. Can't fight it. We'll be united. And I know that we can be so amazing. And being in your life is gonna change me. And now I can see every single possibility. And someday I know it'll all turn out.